This is Mippin Mobilizer, and this is a very simple way of turning a blog into a mobile site. All you need is a blog which has a feed URL, and you take and paste that feed URL into Mippin, and essentially with a few tweaks and changes it gives you an instant mobile friendly site. So if we just click on create a Mippin site, now I've created one already, but all I had to do when I came to this page first was paste in the URL for my feed, which I did here, and once I'd done that I got this preview coming up here. Now the only difference between what you see now and what I saw first is that I've customized it. Basically I've made a logo up here and I've sorted out the color scheme, but essentially that's all I needed to do. The next step would have been what I went to, and that was to customize it. And you see here I've got various options. I can create a logo, and it gives me some details here. It must be a GIF and it must be 120 by 30 pixels. And I created that logo in Picnic, although you could use any other appropriate software. And I also give my site a title, and I can look at the colors. I can look at the header color, section color, link color, and the text color. And once I've done that, I've got the site customized the way I want it. And obviously what I've done is replicated the color scheme and the branding on my blog and the main multimedia journalism website. Next step is to publicize your site, and you can put in tags to find it, make it searchable on Mippin, and they give you some hints and suggestions on how to do that. And finally, if you want to, you can monetize. I've disabled advertising because I'm not so interested in that, but you could in fact get advertising on there and potentially get some revenue as well. So here's what I like about Mippin. It's very clean. It's a very clean interface you get. Very easy to read, very easy to navigate. With each of the items that it finds on my blog, it gives the headline, a read button which will take me through to the text, and also this logo here which indicates that there is a video to go with it. That's very useful for me because I often put video clips on my blog posts. If I click on read, I come through to the text that accompanied that video, and there's also a logo here to view the video. Now I'm not going to click on that because in this preview it doesn't work terribly well, but on my phone what it does when I click on there is it flips the screen sideways, and I get a very nicely represented video from the clip that I uploaded. So that's what I like about Mippin. Here's what I don't like. The text comes through very plain, so although I wanted that headline to be in bold, it isn't, and it doesn't pick up links. So if you embed a link behind text, there's no indication that it was there at all, and even if you type in a link like this one here, it isn't clickable. So that's irritating, and it is a limitation of Mippin, but that's about the only limitation I can find. Apart from that, it's about the clearest, cleanest, simplest way I've seen to turn your blog into a mobile version.